Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the app onto your device and signing in. Do that now. Install from the store and tap to open, then create an account with an email you check. Once you receive the 6-digit code, enter it to verify. This unlocks secure features. Next, grant microphone, camera, and location access so order timers, tutorial video capture, and local inventory sync work correctly. Make sure to enable notifications so the app can alert you about shift updates and incoming orders. Once signed in, configure the essentials that make the app practical for service. You should complete your profile with a clear photo, role, and hourly rate, and set shift availability so managers can assign you. Then open Wallet to connect a payment method and configure tip split and tax defaults, which speeds checkout. Also, calibrate audio and camera for recipe recording and sync the app to your POS or Bluetooth hardware. This ensures orders, receipts, and inventory updates flow without hiccups. You finish setup by running a live shift. Tap Clock In, accept your assigned station, and load the day's menu. Use guided recipes and preset timers to maintain speed and consistency. While serving, rely on the automated order flow and tip distribution to reduce manual work and close tabs with the integrated payment flow. If you run into problems, first restart the app, confirm permissions are still enabled, and reconnect the POS or Bluetooth device. That usually resolves sync or payment errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.